Feels like it's getting tighter. I feel like a sausage trying to escape its casing. Like, oh, it's such cheap fabric. It's so gross. Everything about my neurodivergent mind wants to just shred it off my body. I hate it so much. This is the shit he makes me do. He's like, hey, do you want to wear sandpaper for 3 hours and try to play a video game? Here I am. Here I am. Fucking just exfoliating my body. It hurts. This isn't good.